Hi everyone, welcome to the House of Paper. Today, we are going to make a morning glory and an evening primrose. Let's make an evening primrose first. Step 1. Fold the paper in half into a rectangle. 2. Rotate the paper and fold it in half into a square. 3. Unfold and fold it in half along diagonal lines. 4. Fold it in half into a triangle. 5. Put your fingers between two layers of the paper and flatten it. 6. Flip it over and do the same thing. Remember the steps 1 to 6, as we are going to follow exactly the same steps twice more to make a morning glory. After folding the paper into a rhombus, place the opening towards the top. Bring both the right and the left vertices to the middle crease. Turn the paper over and do the same thing. Fold it in half and cut the tip round. Unfold and fold up in half. Put your fingers between the layers and flatten it to make petals of the flower. Ta-da! Here we have the yellow evening primrose. Let's make a morning glory then. Do you remember steps 1 to 6 we just did? Follow those steps again for two different size square sheets. After folding the paper into a rhombus, place the opening towards the top. Bring both the right and the left edges to the middle crease. Do the same thing with another paper. Cut the upper part round. Put the smaller one inside the bigger one. Fold the bottom vertex up. Put your fingers between the layers and flatten it to make petals of the flower. And ta-da! Here we have the purple morning glory. How was paper folding today? Hope you enjoyed it. See you next time. Bye!